Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Headspace account. It's going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store depending on what device you're using and search for Headspace just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application, click on the install icon and then download and install it. Once you've done that, as you can see, once the application opens, it's going to simply go ahead and tell you to breathe in and breathe out. And now, as you can see, there's a create an account or login button. What you need to do is click on create an account by tick marking this little terms and conditions. And then you can simply go ahead and continue with Google, Apple, Facebook, or you could just continue with email. Enter your first name, last name, email, and password and click on continue. And they'll send you a verification code to that email. Simply enter that back and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you